great.
Okay, a typical day at GMB. We have a problem somewhere. What do? We call Brian. And Brian comes with many excuses
For not going.
just before he leaves. And then other guys, some of the older guys, get the call, and we solve the problem.
Right.
And
I
anything we
just
do,
pretend to.
everything we do is very professional.
Everything we do.
Unfortunately, sometimes we'll go into a mill and we don't like it, and we make the mistake of telling them that they really need to change what they're doing.
Yes.
And that's where you come in, Brian.
That's where I come in.
But, I mean, just to make a comment, arguably that's a pretty good thing. I mean, as lighthearters we're taking it, one thing GMB does really well is we shoot straight and we give it to the customer how it is, and we do what we think is best for them at the end of the day. I mean,
Yes.
Ian does a good job of selling what we need to sell, and Brian does a good job of
stand-up philosopher or bullshit artist, whatever you want to
whatever
call
you want to call it.
Same
Well, yeah.
Self-employed. Self-imposed.
He actually works for us. Don't listen to what he's saying. He's full of it right now. No, I'm kidding. No, but really, in all honesty, like the team here does a really good job of meeting with the customer, and both these two fine gentlemen here support the sales side as well. Brian's our installations manager for those that do not know. And the one thing that GMB has done really well and continues to hold proudly or stand proudly for is our installations team. I mean, you want a turnkey solution, you want the engineering, you want the manufacturing, and you want that same equipment installed correctly the first time. I would argue to say GMB does it the best. And we do it really, really well for it. We've been doing it for a very long time.
And the AIST show is every year, once a year. And we've been in attendance here for how many years now, Brian?
Ian and I have been, I don't know the years, Ian, but we've been at this for, I'm not going to say how many years, gives us our age, but you're looking at 3 decades worth and then some.
And this is where we get most of the larger contracts.
Yes. Yes.
And they are often a place where we're able to reconnect with older customers, let's say, as well. Rekindle relationships. And I think that's what this conference or this get-together stands for, I think, is rekindling relationships, keeping GMB at the forefront of the steel industry, as we have been for 40 years.
When you mentioned older, were you referring to me?
If you guys didn't know, both these gentlemen are 27 years old, both of them. I'm 17. I don't know why I'm here, but I'm kidding.
Oh, good.
Thank you, Sam.
No,
good.
The guys here are honestly great. And for those that, I mean, I'm going to wheel it into a little bit more of a, directed request. Come check us out, guys, at the AIST show. I mean, if it's not this year and you see this 6 months from now and you have a laugh at the banter, if this makes it out anywhere, we're 2157 today.
21 or 57?
21.
2157.
2157. That's what that is, yep. 2157.
21, what they said. Yeah, come check us out. And next year, if you do decide to come out and visit us to discuss a project or just come to, shoot the beans with the team, find us on the AISTech website, find our booth number, and do come say hello. So,
absolutely.
Anything you want to say before we sign off here, Ian?
No, I just think it's great that customers that were serviced for years, they make a point of coming and visiting at the booth. We really don't talk about business. It's just like meeting up with old friends.
Agreed. How about you, Brian? Anything you want to share?
Same thing. It's all joking aside, guys. We do this because we want to do this, and we enjoy having our new customers, past customers coming. As Ian said, it's not talking about business. Hey, you want to talk about business? We can. Just come and see us. Hang out. Have a beer.
Cool. So on that note, thank you for joining us again for yet another episode of the GMB podcast. No, I'm kidding. Until the next one, take care, guys.